Hello beautiful ladies, hope everyone's doing good. So today we are here to learn 3 different designs of crochet edging, commonly known as saya kurta Makhi in my community actually. So for that we need a 2-ply cotton yarn, commonly available in Anchor and Butterfly brand. There are many others as well. Next we need a thick needle with a pointed sharp end because it's very hard to directly insert the crochet hook into these collar like areas, so the needle helps to make an easy space for the crochet hook to get in. Now about the crochet hooks, well, all of these sizes can be used for such small edgings, but what I personally prefer is this 7 number, which is 0.95 mm. It suits me actually. Now let's get started with our design number 1. So first of all we are making a knot. So as I said before, I am working with the 7 number hook, and this is a thick cotton actually, so I'm using this needle to make an easy space for the crochet hook. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and our yarn got locked because of the knot. Now yarn over and chain 1. Again yarn over, chain 2, go in the first chain, again yarn over, pull through. Now we have got 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through. This is our first single crochet, then chain 1, and here's how we have completed our first stitch. Now let's make one more. Just remember one thing, always insert your hook exactly under your last chain and not even a little away. If you follow this simple tip, trust me, you would never end up with untidy results, and it would always come out to be neat work. Now this is our first single crochet, then chain 1, again go in the first chain, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, again yarn over, pull through the both loops. This is our single crochet, then chain 1, and here we end up with our second stitch. Let's just make one more. As I said before, exactly insert the needle under your last chain, and now following the same pattern, 1 single crochet, then chain 1, again a single crochet in the first chain, then chain 1, and now following the same pattern, here's how we shall get our final look. Now just cut the yarn and let's make a finishing knot. Pull the yarn at the back, make a neat double knot, pull the yarn, and for a neat look, just pull the yarn from beneath the second last stitch, and it's done. I really hope you people liked it. Now let's move on to our next stitch, design number 2. So I've already made a knot. Insert the hook, pull the yarn, and chain 1, chain 2, then a single crochet in the first chain, insert the hook in the first chain, yarn over, pull through, again yarn over, pull through both the loops, and chain 1. Now yarn over again, go in the first chain, yarn over, and now we have got 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again we have 2 loops. Now yarn over and pull through last 2 loops. Then chain 1. And here we finished our first stitch. Again insert the needle exactly under the last chain. Insert the hook, pull through, make a single crochet, then chain 1, then again a single crochet, go into the first chain, yarn over, pull through, then make a single crochet, chain 1, again yarn over, go in the first chain, yarn over, pull through. Again we have 3 loops on our hook, so yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. It's a double crochet, then chain 1. Let's just try with one more. So following the same pattern, let's make a first single crochet, then chain 1, then a single crochet in the first chain, then again a chain, then double crochet in the first chain, then chain 1, and this stitch is completed. And here's the final look of our design number 2. Hope you liked it. Now just cut the yarn and make a finishing knot as we did before in our first design. Now moving forward to our third design, I have already made a knot. So first of all, inserting the hook, yarn over, pull through, make a chain, then chain 2, then a single crochet in the first chain, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and then chain 1. Now let's make a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the first chain, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So it's a double crochet, then chain 1, and now yarn over twice on the hook and go in the first chain. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through last 2 loops, and this is our treble crochet. I actually forgot to make the last chain while shooting the video actually, but it's written in the pattern by the way. And this is how our first stitch is completed. Let's try once more. Insert the needle exactly under the last chain. Now insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and make a single crochet. Now chain 1 and go in the first chain, yarn over, pull through and make a single crochet, then chain 1, again yarn over and go in the first chain, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook and make a double crochet, then chain 1, and now yarn over twice, go in the first chain, yarn over, pull through and make a treble crochet. Then chain 1 and stitch is completed. Let's try one last time. Again inserting the hook exactly under the last chain, single crochet, chain 1, again in the first chain make a single crochet, chain 1, make a double crochet in the first chain, chain 1, now a treble crochet in the first chain, chain 1, and here is the final look of our third design, and making a finishing knot now just like we did before. I hope this video is helpful for everyone. For more such tutorials, subscribe to my channel Nakhia's Hunar, and you can also follow me on Instagram. The link is given in the description box. And if you find this video to be helpful, kindly share it with your friends and family. It would really encourage me to make more videos like this. You can also check out more tutorials available on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.